Oh snap! Is that a real snake or is that a rubber snake? It's not moving. It looks like a rubber snake.
It's real. Come on, we'll come back.
Hold on. I just want to. Oh, yep. Okay, that's real.
What is this?
These are my.
No, don't say. We have to open it.
But it's from DSW.
Oh, the shoes?
I think it's a fucking Xbox, dude. No, it's an Xbox One, Charles. Jesus.
Oh, you're probably right.
No, it's shoes.
Ready?
No, it's DSW. That's the Sweet Widow Xbox.
That's. Oh.
That fancy Ralph Lauren.
Let me see. Let me see.
Ralph Lauren Xbox.
Whoa.
Motherfucker.
How heavy is it?
As heavy as a mule.
I thought you were gonna say penis.
No,
You
all
don't even
7
have to go
hours.
Like, what the fuck is this? You would just.
No, Charles, it has to be like this. So you get full body
How would you do it?
I do
You
it
get
like
fucking jacked.
That or
Dude,
that?
this is how you get fucking jacked when you spit roast a pig.
Really?
How would you do it?
It's a motor.
So where are we going today? Are we going anywhere today?
Ramona's, and we're gonna fucking go on some sort of adventure. That's all I know.
So what the fuck is this place?
It's the nature center.
What does that mean?
FER Nature Center.
What does that even mean?
It's a place where you come and look at bugs and shit.
What is that?
It's an Indian, like, reed teepee thing.
What is that?
The pond with reeds in it.
What is that?
The middle finger, I believe it's yours. It's pointed at me for some
No, it's
reason.
not mine.
I mean, if you follow it, it does sort of
That's not mine.
lead right back to you.
Nick, hold on. Nick. What is that?
It's the Pillsbury Doughboy.
Man, nature's fascinating.
So we are at
FER Nature Center.
yeah, and we're gonna go.
Yo, as a kid, I totally thought this place was just like FER. Like FER.
And we're gonna go look at stuff
FE
and adventure. So
Yeah,
yeah.
like the name
Okay.
FE and the last.
Oh look, turkeys over there.
That was the nature place, you guys. So we had a lot of fun.
They have
Nick,
kind of
did you have
accepted
fun?
their fate.
I
in
love
that
fun.
world.
There,
come
did
back.
you have fun? Ah! Charles, did you have fun?
There's a bee.
What day is it?
Easter Sunday?
Happy Easter.
You make me happy when skies are gray.
Ooh.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
I'm about to say grace. And then we're about to grab on some food.
Thank you.